I may be on the verge of discovering the true nature of Destiny's mission.
You've had control of this ship the whole time! Why wouldn't you tell anyone?
The Lucian Alliance is planning an attack on Earth.
I killed Riley. I suffocated him with my own hands.
You are a good commander.
There is no mission other than getting these people home.
There's never any going home. Simply getting us to where we're going. That is mission.
We got drones dead ahead.
Drones cannot track us. Instead, they blockaded the stars from which Destiny recharges.
This could be it, at the end of the line.
I've just completed a thorough diagnostic of one of the Stas' pods. Very informative.
One continuous FTL jump. Out and around the length of this galaxy, across the gap to the next one. How long? 3 years.